Till now, whatever we drew, we referred the measurements as units. A unit can mean anything. It can be millimeter, centimeter, meter, inches, or foot. Here, we have a square with the sides having the length of 5 units. Let's see what this 5 unit is. Click on the application button. Take your mouse pointer on Drawing Utilities. This will open a menu with a few more options. Click on Units. This will open the Drawing Units dialog box. Well, if you see here, the AutoCAD default units is set to inches. This means that each side of the square is 5 inches. Let's click on this down arrow. We have many unit options here. If you are a civil engineer, you will require these units of feet or inches. Mechanical engineers generally work with millimeters and centimeters. A civil surveyor may require the units in feet. We have some more options here like light years, etc. Well, you won't be requiring these units unless and until you are an astrophysicist. For now, let's keep it in inches. Click on Inches. It is written here, Units to Scale Inserted Content. What this means is that suppose you get a drawing from your friend who has created the drawing in millimeters, and if you inserted that drawing in your drawing, AutoCAD will rescale the drawing. AutoCAD will do the unit conversion for you. In the top part of the dialog box, we have these two groups, length and angle. These settings control how we give the input of length and angle. So, if I measure the length of this side of the square, AutoCAD will display the unit in decimal with 4 decimal places. We can adjust the number of decimal places. Click on this down arrow. We can adjust the precision to 8 decimal places. For now, let's set it to 4 decimals by clicking here. We can even set the precision for angles. Click here and let's change it to 2 decimals. Save this change by clicking on OK. Let's see how the changes that we made in the units will affect the drawings that we draw. Let's draw a simple line. Click on the line icon. Click on the screen to specify the first point. Now, you can see that the length of the line is displayed to 4 decimal places and the angle is displayed to the accuracy of 2 decimal places. Click here and press the Escape key to come out of the line command. Let's make some more changes to units. Click on the application button, take your mouse pointer to Drawing Utilities and click on Units. Well, what other options do we have other than decimals? Click on this triangle to open the drop-down menu. The most commonly used dimension type is architectural and decimal. Let's see what architectural units has to offer. Click on Architectural. Now, you can see that the units are displayed in a fractional form. In architectural type, the units are displayed in feet and inches. Click on OK. Type L and press Enter to activate the line command. Click here to specify the first point on the screen. Pull the mouse pointer to the right. You will see that the units are being displayed in inches with quotation marks. Let's draw a 1 foot long line. Type 1, put a single quote. This tells AutoCAD that we want a line 1 foot long. Press Enter. Pull the mouse pointer down. Type 5. Put a double quotation mark. When we put a double quotation after any number, this means that we want the length of the line to be in inches. Press Enter. Now we have a line 5 inches long. Press the Escape key to exit the line command. Let's go back to the Units dialog box and set everything back to default. Click on the Application button. Go to Drawing Utilities and click on Units. Let's change type back to decimal. Click on Decimal. Default unit is now set to inches. This concludes our tutorial on understanding units.